Welcome. In today's episode, we're going to make vegetarian stuffed grape leaves. The ingredients are a tablespoon of allspice, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, half a tablespoon of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of oil, a jar of grape leaves, 1 cup of short grain rice, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 medium tomatoes, half a cup of chopped parsley, and 2 lemons. In a bowl, combine the rinsed rice, parsley, tomatoes, and onion. Add the lemon juice, allspice, cinnamon, salt and pepper, and the olive oil. Mix the ingredients well. Spread the leaves on a clean surface and put the smooth side down. In your stuffing, you take a handful, about half a teaspoon. Fold the sides. Fold the ends in, fold the sides in, bit of a squeeze, and roll. In the pot, line it with a couple of leaves to prevent burning and stack the rolled grape leaves inside, and I'm going to put them tightly to each other. Add water just over the stuffed grape leaves and sprinkle some salt. Also add a little bit of olive oil that will help with the cooking. And then you need to add a plate to make sure that they all stay together and don't become unrolled. Cook for about 60 minutes to 75 minutes and check on it in about an hour, and it will be set to go. Bon appetit!